Hi guys, I am Shahzad and welcome in this video. Today we're gonna discuss about the cards. Let's suppose you need a sections where you have the image, you have the heading, you have some paragraphs, and also you have the button or the link. So how can you do that? The first one, you can create your image, you can define the heading, and also you can define the paragraph, you can define the link or the button to create this kind of functionality. The second thing, you have the built-in functionality available in Bootstrap file, which is known as cards. So let's get started. So go to the components, and as you can see, this is the card. So if you want to read the whole documents, you can also read the whole documents, like a card, blah 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 blah. Here as you can see, card is a built-in with little markup and style sheet, and here as you can see, a card is a flexible and essential content container. So all are the same things. Okay, before using or before creating each and everything from scratch, like this div, this image, this. So for this one, I just need to copy the content, and I'm going to use this content here. So in this time, I'm saying this is the comment, and now find, copy, and now I'm saying in this section, I'm saying fine. Now go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, this is the card. So why it's not working? Because you don't have the image here. So I'm saying I'm going to create the images in the assets folder. So I'm saying new directory, images. Here I have to keep one image. So I'm saying Bootstrap 5. Go to the images, and I'm going to copy this one. Right click, save. Where we have to save this one? I'm saying, where is this one? It's available in the Bootstrap 5. Okay, now htdocs, and I'm saying Bootstrap 5. Here is the assets, here is the images. I'm saying 1. So it's 1.jpg. So now I'm saying go to the assets. Inside the assets we have our images. Inside the images we have a 1.jpg. So go to the page, refresh the page. It's now working fine. But what happens? Why you are using style? If you remove this one, this customized width, as you can see, it's expanding your stuff. Like if I'm saying this is only a 4th column. So now as you can see, it's auto adjustable. That's why we are saying we always create a responsive website by using the Bootstrap 5. So if I'm saying it's a column 3, as you can see, it's automatically managing. So here as you can see, this is the card, this is the container for your stuff, and this is the image. Here as you can see, this is the image, it's working fine. And the body, as you can see, this is the body, header, paragraph, and also the button. You have to place your header, paragraph, button, and also some kind of links inside your body. Okay, now as you can see, what happens if you want to customize this one, this one, this one? You just need the extra class. Like here, like if I am going to change this one, so what you need, just need to, I'm saying crd cls, or just copy and paste this class here, and now I'm saying color equals to orange. Go to the page, refresh the page. Now as you can see, it's saying orange. You can also use this one, or you can use this collapse. And now I'm saying in the collapse I have a title, so both are the same things. I'm saying in the collapse I also have a button, like button, and here I'm saying the background red. So go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's not working fine. You have to use the not important. So control F5 once again. Okay, it's not a button because it's a anchor, so that's why it's not working. If I say it's a button, then definitely it's works. Now you don't need to add the not important sign. Definitely it's also working. So back to the anchor. It's anchor. Then definitely you have to use the anchor sign here. So you can perform the same task with multiple ways. Fine. I'm going to comment this one. Refresh. As you can see, this is the cards. So you have to place all your content inside your this body. Let's suppose your button. So this is the button. XYZ. Now I'm saying it's button primary XYZ. It's fine. You can also press anything here like claps. You can also use some other kind of stuff here. Okay, now as you can see, they are saying that body, you have to keep the building blocks of the card is the body. As you can see in the body, they are using some content, and also they are saying title, text and links. So these are the links. You can also use this class for the particular links. So as you can see here, you are not using the class, this one, card links. So now here I'm saying this is not a button, I'm saying card link. So go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's now working fine. So for the image, as you can see, the image is here, card image top. As you can see, the card image is by default on the top. As you can see, this is the text, and you can also read the whole documentations like this. You can also use the UL here, as I told you that you can also use any kind of stuff like UL or like progress bar or anything in the card sections. So why they are using the style? Because they are not using the grid systems. So that's why you can also use the UL and some kind of stuff like this. It's totally up to you. So basically this is the card systems, and we normally use the card systems while creating the profile systems or something like that. It's totally depend upon you where you are using the card. So I think this is the wait for a few seconds. I'm going to open some example. Okay, here as you can see, these are the cards. So right click, inspect element. This is the ready-made. So basically this is the card, but they are using here, I think, the old carousel. So for now, fine. So you can use the card, this card, to create this kind of stuff. Okay, so it's totally depend upon you. This is the ready-made, or I have downloaded, I have purchased this template from the theme forest, and definitely we are using the Bootstrap, and the version is the 4.2.1. Okay, since we are working on Bootstrap 5, so that's why we are not considering this one. We will discuss about the ready-made themes or the themes available on the theme forest. We will download or we will purchase the themes, and we will customize that particular themes according to your needs in our later lectures. But for now, this is the cards. You can manipulate or you can show anything inside your card. Now as you can see, we have created the card sections. What happens if we use here text center? Go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, you are aligning your text in center. I'm saying text primary. Fine, it's a primary. What happens if you use some backgrounds or borders? So how can you do that? Here I'm saying that text is white, and also BG, which is a background, primary. So text is white, background primary. If I'm saying that background is info, it's fine. If I'm saying background is danger, it will give you the red shadows. If I'm saying warning, it will give you the warning, or secondary, it will give you the secondary, just using one class. So this one class. And now what happens if you need the borders? Now I'm saying that border primary. Go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, border primary. You can also use warning, danger, info, or something like that to create the, like I'm saying, success. It will give you the green color. So it's totally depend upon you. What happens if you are using your card in your grid system? Like if you need to create the cards like this, just copy. Fine. As you can see, you can also create another one. Fine. If you are saying, it's fine. So by using the grid, you can also create the card like this. Okay, what happens if you group your cards like this? I'm saying this is 6 column, and now I'm grouping the whole card in a div. I'm saying cards, and here once again these are 2 cards. First of all, these are 2 cards. As you can see, it's fine. Now I just need to add the card group. As you can see, you are grouping 2 cards. As you can see, if you need to create another card, you can just copy the content and paste the content like this. Fine. You can also create another one. Shift, and for the specific div, Control D. You can create, you can copy and paste. Okay, so this is the way to group your cards. Okay, now I'm just deleting the other stuff. I'm just going to copy. I'm just going to copy, comment, and now here I'm going to just copy and deleting the entire section. It's fine. Now I'm saying the card grid system is 4. Okay, now if I add here a class, here I'm saying card image, card img image, and here I'm saying I'm removing card image overlay. As you can see, you are setting your image in the background, or just reverse, you are using at the top. We also have, I think, few other classes bottom. It's not working here, so it's this class only works with the top section. Okay, if you want to use the bottom, just copy and paste, and here you have to define the bottom because you are using this class in the bottom. So as you can see, it's now showing you in the bottom. So this is the extra classes or extra functionality. If you want to learn the more about the cards or something like that, or if you want to read the whole documentation, just go to the website Twitter Bootstrap and click on the cards. Okay guys, so in this way you can define a particular section. Make sure we use this kind of sections while showing the profiles. It's up to you how you are using and what are your requirements. So I hope guys you are enjoying our video. So thank you for watching.